The Cisco CCNA is the principal technical certification for anyone wishing to work in the hardware side of computer networking, specifically routers and network data switches. And by the way, CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. Cisco certification is both globally recognised and widely respected in industry. Routers or data switches are units of computer hardware. They route and control the flow of data traffic that speeds around networks and the internet. Gaining a Cisco certification will enable you to install, maintain and troubleshoot routed and switched networks. Cisco routers dominate worldwide, accounting for more than 2/3 of the total routers on the web. In fact, Cisco's claim to fame is that the internet probably couldn't function reliably without their hardware. And as well as connecting up the internet, routers are also used by many major companies. With multiple locations and a wide geographical spread, large organisations use routers to connect their individual networks together and maintain secure internal data communications. Network security becomes an important aspect for all Cisco engineers because of this. As you might expect, gaining your Cisco CCNA certification means you can often command a fairly generous salary. The specialist skills you'll develop are very much in demand and will usually lead to working for a major corporation or other large establishment. Alternatively, many Cisco qualified professionals are employed by internet service providers or ISPs and telecoms companies. As such, it's sometimes likely that travel will be on the agenda. When there's a problem with the router, the chances are it's not at the end where you're working at, so a trip out of the office may well be on the cards. If you're new to the industry, it's essential that you get a good grounding in how networks operate first, before attempting the Cisco certification. Without this, your training will be unnecessarily complicated and your CV could be a little light when it comes to employment time. The CompTIA A+ and Network Plus training programs are a great place to start and will equip you with basic to intermediate networking skills before embarking on your CCNA certification. Then, once you've qualified and start making job applications, you'll be able to satisfy employers that you have those networking skills outside of your CCNA. Cisco also have a more advanced qualification, the CCNP or Cisco Certified Networking Professional. We strongly advise against attempting this certification until you've gained at least 18 months to 2 years of experience in industry first. Some training providers may urge you to train in this level at the start, but in our opinion that's not the best advice. The CCNP is a lot more technical and you'll generally struggle with many of the advanced concepts if you have no frame of reference from personal experience. Also, it's unlikely that employers will be interested in offering you such a senior position without any real-world industrial or commercial experience. And finally, you may not need it. Start doing the job first. It's likely that you'll discover you don't need a CCNP to do the job you want to do. And then if you do decide it's worth pursuing, you'll be in a far stronger position to take it on when you're that much farther down the line. Some students also choose to combine their CCNA with one of the Microsoft networking qualifications such as MCITP Server 2008 or MCSE for a more rounded skill set. The Microsoft qualifications are more operating system and software directed as compared to the more hardware oriented Cisco certification. This can often save on overall training fees as generally there are significant discounts for purchasing both together as a package. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to move between the two programs at the same time and benefit from the synergy of two networking-based programs coming from different angles. Either way, with strong CompTIA networking skills and the Cisco CCNA certification, you'll be in a great position to start building a successful and well-paid hardware networking career.